Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon on Guitar. We have this cool song, some Afro vibes here with KIZZ Daniel, Empire. The song is called Cough, so it goes in 4-chord progression through the entire song. So we'll learn the chords and a simple strumming pattern that works through the entire song. So let's start this one up. No need for any capo on this one, so we will start right away with the chords. The first one will be the G sharp. So that's a bar chord here. You place the bar on the 4th fret across all strings, and then the rest will be 6 on A, 6 on D, and 5th on G. Next chord will be the C minor. So we will work with just bar chords in the song. So this time we have a bar here on the 3rd fret from the A string and down, so all strings except from the last E here. So 5 strings, and then the rest will be 5th on D, 5th on G, and 4th on B. So that's the C minor. The next chord will be the F minor. So a bar now on the 1st fret over all strings, and then the rest will be 3rd on A and 3rd on D. And the final chord will be a C sharp chord here. And the most accurate will be just a plain C sharp, but I will go with the C sharp sus2. It's a little bit easier, and it doesn't matter, it doesn't do that much difference to the song. So that will be a bar here on the 4th fret from the A string and down, so 5 strings. And like I said, the plain C chord, C sharp, will be 6th on D string, 6 on G, and 6 on B. But I will skip the last 6 on B. So in that way, we'll have this sus2 chord. So C sharp sus2, like this. All right. So there you have the chords and the progression here. The G sharp, C minor, F minor, and the C sharp chord here. All right, so let's look at the strumming pattern, and let's grab that G sharp. One string around will be down, 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 up. It's like this. Okay, so it's again down, 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 and then down, up. So if you notice, when I play this, I play some downs on the bass strings and some on the top strings to have some variation in the sound. So it goes like this. So I go for the 2 first downs on the bass strings, and then I play the down, down, up on the top strings. So bass, bass, top, top, top. Alright, so it's up to you, but that's how I do it. And you're gonna play 3 rounds for the G sharp, then 1 round on the C minor, then 3 rounds on the F minor, and 1 round on the C sharp. So 3, 1, 3, 1. That is how it goes. Sounds like this. And so on. You do that through the entire song. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Cough. See you next time. Play tuned.